welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesithembu. UMacele uhambile no ayokhuleka olwandle with Sneh no Abongwe. They went to the sea to pray for Umselegu for his recovery. UMacele nje wathi they've been praying ever since Umselegu started feeling sick. They've been praying ukuthi uSneh busy njalo esiphelekezela uMacele to go and pray. They've been praying for ubaba wakhe athi uMacele they have faith ukuthi Umselegu uzolulama uzoba right. Athi Abongwe she's not a person okhuleka njalo. She only started praying in grade 12, but then uma khuleka nje uvela in a different world. Bese khuleka nje olwandle, and then it seemed like he was now going inside the sea. USneh had to go and fetch her, and then uMacele naye sebamlanda because they started feeling scared ukuthi uzozangena emanzini. And then waqala bakhala ke, they got emotional sebakhala. uMacele ethi sawukele Nkosi yami. Abongwe athi yazi I did not know ukuthi ubaba isimo sikababa sibad ngale ndlela. I feel very hurt ukuthi I didn't know. Athi uMacele trust me ukuthi the worst is over. Athi Abongwe they keep on saying the worst is over, but yena looking at her dad, she doesn't feel like the worst is over. Baba uyagula and it's serious. She never thought it was this serious. So Macele athi ungakhathazeki, the worst is over, uzoba right, and we didn't tell you while usesikoleni because we didn't want to affect you. Because uMacele Abongwe is the too emotional amongst the children, so she hid it from her to protect her. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.